Children, welcome back to our part 2 video, and I hope you all have watched my part 1 video in which I have explained you chapter number 5, the happy field. So children, I hope you all have understood the first part which I have explained you. I have explained you the half story, and in that I have explained you how the field was having only green grass, and it was sad, it was sobbing to see that it was very dull and plain. Okay, so the field decided to grow a hump in it so that it will look beautiful. But as soon as it grew the hump on one side of the field, what happened, children? On the opposite side of where the hump was grown, on the opposite side in the field, there was a hollow made. Okay, वहाँ पर एक hollow हो गया था. And what happened in that hollow? That hollow was not having any kind of water, so the clouds saw it and they poured the rain into it. Okay, so it became a lake. That hollow became a lake, and in that lake, ducks and geese came into it, and they were very happy and they started playing in that lake. Is that clear? So that was all in today's part 1 video which I have explained you. Now in this part 2 video, children, as I have told you, I will be explaining you about the hard words. Okay, there will be 12 hard words which I have taken out from this full story, and I will first of all explain you each and every spelling with each and every word. Okay, and I will explain you how you will pronounce these words, and also I will explain you the meaning of these words. Is that clear? So I hope you all are ready. So let's get started with our part 2 video of today's assignment. So children, for that you have to take out your English literature notebook. Make sure this I have taken English literature notebook because I was not having any other notebook, but you will do all the hard words in the English practice notebook. Okay, so take out your English practice notebook and turn to a new page. And when you will turn to a new page, first of all, what you have to do, as usual, you will write down today's date. So what is today's date? Today is 9/8/2021. Today is 9th date, 8th month, that is August, and 2021. I hope you all have understood. You will write down the date. Then make sure, children, in every video I explain you to write down the date, heading. Okay, but many of you have not followed any of the instructions which your teachers have given. In many of the notebooks I have seen, when you came for checking, there were lot of mistakes, lot of bad handwriting was there, very untidy work was there, and most important thing, when I tell you in every video that you have to write down the date, but I don't know why you all have not written down the dates. Out of many students, only 3 or 4, 5, at the most 5 students only have written down the dates. Rest of all have not written down the dates, so which is a very bad thing, children. If you will not write down the dates, then how will your teacher, or how will you come to know that on which date which work you have done? So from now onwards, make sure that you will always write down the dates. Now coming to the first line, what you will write? Chapter number 5, the happy field. You will give the heading of the chapter number 5, the happy field. Then in the next line you will give the heading hard words. Clear to you all? Hard words will be written, and then we will start from the third line. We will start writing our hard words, and there are 12 hard words, so on one page only we will write. Okay, so make sure you will not write in a very bad handwriting कि आपका पहला word यहाँ तक जा रहा है और दूसरा word उसके आगे से दूसरे पेज तक. No, I want a very neat and clear handwriting. Okay, so let's get started with the hard words. So the first word, as you can see here, is DELICIOUS. What is this word? Delicious. Again I am repeating, DELICIOUS. delicious is delicious. How you will pronounce this word? Delicious. Okay. And what is the meaning of delicious? Very tasty. When you like some food, when you say that it is very tasty, that means it is very delicious. बहुत अच्छा बना है, स्वादिष्ट बना है. ठीक है. So the first word is delicious. Now coming to the second word, plain. 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 Now plain means एकदम flat. Okay. So children, plain means simple and bare, जिसमें कोई भी चीज़ ग्रो नहीं की होती है, बस सिर्फ थोड़ी सी घास होती है, ग्रास होती है, and nothing is there. Okay. Now coming to the third word, sobbed. Sobbed. Now what is the meaning of sobbed? The word, first of all, listen to the correct pronunciation. sobbed. Sobbed. Okay. So what is the meaning of the word sobbed? Sobbed means cried in a low voice. जब आप कभी रोते हो, आपकी डांट पड़ती है पेरेंट्स से या टीचर्स से, और आप अंदर ही अंदर अगर रोते हो, that means you are sobbing. Okay. Crying in a low voice. Okay. Sobbed. Now coming to the next word, hump. Hump. Now what is a hump? A round raised part of the ground. As I have told you, as I have given one example of Fatehabad Road, how it is getting clean and how it is getting nicely developed. So whenever you go that side, please see that how they all are making the road very nicely and how they are maintaining it by making parks, small parks with benches and humps in the ground. So hump is hump. And the meaning is a round raised part of the ground, जो ground का कुछ उठा हुआ part. Okay. Now coming to the next word, that is the fifth word, shoved. Shoved. Now what is the meaning of shoved? Shoved is pushed in a rough way. किसी भी चीज को push करना एक rough तरीके से. Okay. Now coming to the sixth word, that is hollow. Hollow. What is this word? Hollow. Okay. hollow is hollow. And what is the meaning of hollow? An empty hole. एक hole जो कि empty है, खाली हो, खाली चीज को हम बोलते हैं hollow. Clear? Now coming to the next word, that is the seventh word, poured. 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 How you will pronounce this word? This word, poured. Poured. Okay. Poured मतलब when you fill the glass of water, okay, with water from a jug or a water bottle, what do? You pour the water from the water bottle into the glass. Okay. हम क्या करते हैं, बॉटल से पानी को ग्लास में डालते हैं. ओके. उससे भरते हैं, तो दैट इज नोन एज poured. हम किसी चीज को pour कर रहे हैं. Is that clear? Now coming to the eighth word, that is shining. Shining. Now what is the meaning of shining? You all know this word. Shine करना, चमकना. Okay. shining. Shining. Ninth word, shady. Shady. What is this word called? Shady. 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 And what is the meaning of the word shady? Shady means that keeps you away from direct sunlight. Anything that keeps you away from direct sunlight is known as a shade or a shady. Okay. Trees give you shade, so it is said that this tree is shady. मतलब वो हमें छाँव दे रहा है. Okay. Now coming to the 10th word, listen to it carefully. squeezed. 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 Squeezed मतलब pressed from all sides. हर तरफ से किसी चीज को अच्छे से दबा देना. आपने देखा है आपकी मम्मी जब भी कपड़े धोती हैं, what she do? She squeeze the cloth to take out all the water from it. Okay, जब मम्मी आपके कपड़े धोती हैं तो वो क्या करती हैं? पहले साबुन लगाया, then she washes it with water. Okay, wash out all the soap with water and then she squeeze all the clothes to take out all the extra water from that. Okay, from that cloth. So that means squeezed. SQUEEZED, squeezed. Now coming to the 11th word, that is nectar. NECTAR, nectar. NECTAR, nectar. Now what is the meaning of the word nectar? Nectar is a word, is a thing which comes from flowers. फ्लावर्स के अंदर एक लिक्विड चीज़ होती है जो फ्लावर्स अपने आप में बनाते हैं. ओके, एंड दैट नेक्टर इज कलेक्टेड बाय द बीज. बीज जो होती हैं वो फूलों पे जब भी बैठती हैं तो उसमें से नेक्टर लेती हैं. क्यों लेती हैं नेक्टर? हनी बनाने के लिए. सो नेक्टर इज अ लिक्विड थिंग विच इज इनसाइड द फ्लावर एंड इट इज यूज्ड to make honey, and this nectar is taken away from the bees. These bees take away all the nectar and they prepare the honey. Okay, so nectar, 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 वो एक liquid चीज़ है जो flowers में से हमें मिलती है. Okay, now coming to the last word, 12th word, that is beautiful. BEAUTIFUL, beautiful. Now what is the meaning of beautiful? Very pretty, or you can say very nice. Okay, बहुत सुंदर. किसी सुंदर चीज़ को देख के you say it is very beautiful. BEAUTIFUL, beautiful. So that is all. In these hard words, children, there are only 12 hard words, very easy. So I want you all to write this. First of all, watch this video again carefully and just listen to all the pronunciation of all 12 words very nicely, and then one by one start writing in your notebooks. And जब भी आप अपनी notebook में hard words को लिखोगे आप उसको बोल के एक एक लेटर को बोल के और फिर पूरा वर्ड को बोल के आप लिखोगे. Is that clear to you all? I hope you all have understood. So till my next video, children, I want you all to complete this work at home very nicely. Okay, first of all, what you will do, you will watch part 1 video and you will read the first page of this chapter, and then you will switch on to part 2 video, and then you will listen to it very carefully, each and every word very carefully, its pronunciation, its meaning and its spelling very carefully, and then you will write down in your notebook. Is that clear? So till my next video, children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.